The Philips Hue Smart Light Starter Kit is a versatile lighting solution that includes a bridge and 4 smart white ambiance bulbs, making it ideal for both decorative and general lighting throughout your home. This kit allows for seamless integration with popular smart home platforms such as Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit, providing convenient voice control and automation. With the included Hue Bridge, users can control their lights from anywhere in the world and experience a stable connection without impacting their Wi-Fi, thanks to the Matter protocol. The smart bulbs offer a range of white light shades from warm to cool, allowing users to set the perfect ambiance for any room and activity. Preset light recipes in the Hue app can enhance your daily routines, whether you need energizing light to start your day or relaxing tones to wind down. The system supports up to 50 light points, enabling a comprehensive whole home lighting experience that can be customized to your personal preferences.